Bro, why do you keep switching, bro? Like, just code, bro. Like, come on. Bro, I'm done with it.
This is why you need FlowOS. I have just as many windows as them, just as many tabs as them, but I have FlowOS. I want to do coding. I want to lock in on coding. I can easily just go to my flow modes and press coding, and it'll organize my whole desktop for me. It'll minimize all the irrelevant windows, do a split screen, and it'll open up Chrome on the right. So, yeah. And then if I want to group my Chrome tabs, because there's a lot of Chrome tabs, there's a bunch of stuff going on here, I can be like, group my Chrome tabs by topic, and then Shift Command K. And then let's see them group the Chrome tabs. And behind the scenes, we have a Chrome extension that's plugged into an Electron framework. And as you can see, it groups like a Chrome extensions topic, hackathons, UCLA, calendar, social media. And then we also have Swift APIs talking to resize windows and move across displays and stuff like that. And then I can also enable tracking. So if I enable tracking, start tracking, it'll start recording like all the activity that I'm doing. So it'll record my clicks between different displays, Discord, Codex, GitHub Desktop, and then if I say something like split the two most recent applications I clicked on. So I just clicked on these two ones, so it should split them. So it splits GitHub Desktop and it splits Codex. We also save a context pack in persistent storage so that with your Claude Code and your coding agents, they can basically consult that and check your display state. So all the windows you've clicked on, all the coding sessions you have, and accelerate your coding workflows with that. So another cool use case, I have an Amazon interview coming up, so I can just ask FlowOS to help me get started. Hey, I have an Amazon interview coming up. Pull up 5 relevant tabs to get me started on studying. So it'll basically look and find 5 relevant tabs, probably leak code. And so it'll pull up Amazon.jobs, leak code, interview bit, Geeks for Geeks, Amazon interview experience, and Amazon.com. But yeah, and then I can also move between displays. So suppose if I'm saying like, move Spotify to my second display. Suppose maybe Spotify is like hidden behind a bunch of different things. It'll just move Spotify like that.
So that was FlowOS. I think nowadays we see so many different tools and different agents and a bunch of different other stuff, and we want to just declutter that whole experience. So let's get into the flow with FlowOS.